Performers rehearse on Saturday night at the Bread of Life Dance Studio for the second annual Enjoy the Journey, a journey of life through song and dance, which is set to take place on Saturday, February 5th at the Brockville Collegiate Institute Auditorium. The concert will see local performers from the Bread of Life Dance Theater perform various dance and musical numbers showing the journey of life through themes that we all go through, such as love and family and racism and abuse. Stephanie Weller, the show's producer and choreographer, says she gets to combine her talent for dancing with her degree in women's studies to help the community.
Still the same theme. We're portraying, the themes and journeys that we go through in life. Last year we focused on personal journeys and personal themes, such as friendship and loss of love, whereas this year we're going to focus on public issues, war, racism, love, childhood. So things that people in the public would be more aware of and that we all experience. So they'll be told through song and dance, just like last year, which is also really exciting. Last year we decided to do the show out of a whim, to be honest. It was to focus on the personal issues that I sort of went through in my own life, and I love to teach dance, and so I said to Sam Crosby, who is the director of Bread of Life Dance Theater, we should do a show and tell these stories and the journeys of life that we go through, and the kids can dance to those themes. So this year we thought the same thing. It was such a good success last year that we wanted to try it again and hopefully achieve and surpass our goal of the money of what we made last year. We still have the same amount of people involved. Some were involved last year as well, but the total of numbers has actually doubled. So we have more variety this year, which is really nice. We have a couple local artists that will be performing some musical type numbers, and we still have our amazing backstage crew that have volunteered their time. So I'd say there's close to about 25 people involved this year, which is a few more than last year, which is also really exciting.
Proceeds from the concert will go to the Leeds and Grenville Interval House.
All the proceeds from the show go to Leeds and Grenville Interval House, which is of course the women's shelter here in Brockville, and we give the money to Leeds and Grenville Interval House because I don't think they get as much recognition. They do so much for women and for their children in this community, and they don't get enough money and enough, funding and that sort of thing. So donating to such a great cause, and it's just a really great way to show our support.
Last year's concert raised $1,200. Tickets are $12 per person and $5 for children 10 years old and under. Advance tickets are available at the Bread of Life Dance Theater at 52 King Street in Brockville and also at The Door. The doors open at 7 p.m. on February 5th with the concert starting at 7:30 at the BCI Auditorium.
It's going to be a really great show, and I just would really like the community to come out and to interpret it the way that they see fit. We all go through these issues, and it's really important to address these issues that we don't talk about enough, but to also address the ones that we talk about often.
Dale Elliott, BNTV News, Brockville.